Hello, I'm Lawrence. My spouse and I wish to thank you for your time and decision to watch this video. I wish to share with you how in 4 years, utilizing our spare time, starting from home, we built a business that has given us a great lifestyle. I'll also show you how you can do same for yourself, your family, and your friends. What kind of lifestyle are we talking about? The business I'm about to show you has allowed us enjoy 10 international vacations in 4 years, all expense paid. The 11th one will be coming up in 2 months' time from when this video is being shot. And guess where? Singapore. We have also enjoyed a ship cruise, yes, around the United Arab Emirates. In addition, we drive brand new cars of our choice and an assurance of an additional one every 3 years. My children are in private schools. Over the years, cumulated annual income currently is over $200,000. And guess what? We've been able to help hundreds directly and thousands indirectly to achieve similar results. However, life has not always been rosy. We've had our fair share of challenges, setbacks, disappointments. So we saw an opportunity, we took action. We built the business with no geographic limits, no boss, no bank loan, no religious barriers, and what have you. Just with our laptop, faith in the Almighty, determination to succeed, and willingness to learn, our friends' friends. Now we are making this video to show you so that you can understand how you too can escape the rat race, how you can take advantage of what I've already done and do it for yourself with me as your mentor and coach. But let's look at what is a normal thing. More about 80% of the population of the world, what are they doing? I'm talking about the adult population. They're exchanging time for money, working for 40 hours on the average of every week for 40 years of your productive life in exchange for poverty eventually. So that's the way of the world right now. But the smarter thing to do is find your less busy time like I did. Start there in exchange for 2 to 4 years and build a lifestyle of your dream. It makes sense, doesn't it? How exactly to do that, I'll be showing you with me as your coach and mentor. Now look at me very well. I'm not better than you. I just found a better way. I've had a month's share of going to school, working 9 to 5, consulting, partnership, investing particularly in shares. But guess what? None of those gave me the certainty I have right now. I was always uncertain of when my next car will come from, whether it will be brand new or fairly used. I was almost uncertain where will school fees come from. I was also uncertain where will the next vacation come from and all that. But 4 years down the line, I had the guts to say yes to what I'm going to show you. And I did it with my spouse and my friends and my friends' friends. Today, I've built an annual income of over $200,000. You might also be thinking, this sounds too good to be true. Yes, I thought so also when I saw this the first time. But what I discovered after taking the opportunity is that there's work required and there's a strategy required. If you know the right work, coached by the right coach, and you know the right strategy by the same coach, you can hit the same numbers, even in less time. My family and I live the kind of life that probably I thought was reserved for the super rich, superstars, football stars, and the like. Same can happen to you. You might also be wondering if this is a setup or perhaps I inherited an asset. Trust me, none of those. You can check me out, you can Google me, you can check me on Facebook. Me, my family, friends and friends of friends that have been opportuned to mentor and coach are living witnesses. So success in my business does not depend on gender, does not depend on age, does not depend on which part of the world you live in, does not depend on your political association, does not depend on your color. It depends on certain skills which from my experience I've seen that are necessary for success in what I do. And I'll simply be reading out those skills. Get ready to score yourself. If you score yourself 70 and above, you are the kind of person that can succeed in what I'm talking about. And so if you are that person, there's already a link below. Put your email address and your name. It sends you to the next stage, where I'll be giving you details of exactly what is involved. We shall do that from home, working alongside your existing schedules of work, children, family, engagements, and whatever is of importance to you. Starting part-time, but consistently. So here we go. Let's look at the list right now. 1, charisma. Do you have charisma? Do people like you? Do people still like to spend time around you? Do people miss you when you're not there? 2, are you a leader? Do people follow you? Do people trust you with important responsibilities? What's your Facebook friend list size? How connected are you? In your community, if you travel, do people miss you and all that? Then where have you been to? Are you highly traveled? Can you qualify as an international city? Do you have foreign connections? Are you coachable? Even though you're well knowledge in what you are doing right now, do you feel like learning more? Are you expecting a lot from life? Are you the kind of person that expects a lot from life? Are you positive minded? Do you have desire? Do you have vision for where you're going? How well can you feel and bounce back and succeed even better than than you did before? Do you have some sales skills? Not the hardcore sales, but when you discuss with people, do you have an excellent way of passing your idea across? And do you easily persuade others to win an argument? All right? Do you have the competitive streak? Do you respond to peer group pressure positively? Are you there? Yes. And most importantly, do you have the drive to set your own target? Do you have the staying power? Do you have the trust in yourself that if one person can do a thing, you too can do it? Then if you score yourself 70 and above, like I said, the qualities I've just mentioned, then don't delay. You're the guy I'm looking for. I'm just looking for 2 this month, and you can be one of them. We shall immediately commence the 2 to 4 months manager plan. That will qualify you for an income of $1,000 to $2,000, which can be a replacement income for you, or extra income by the side. But guess what? It now qualifies you for the real deal. The real deal is that there's no upside. There's no cap on the upside. The thing is residual. The income is residual in nature, royalty income. It is leveraged income. And like you heard me before, there are no limits to what you can earn. The details are in the next stage. Look below. You'll see a bar going there. Put your name and email, and that will take you to the next short video. Now I'm going to tell you something about that next short video. Those who have the patience, create the time to watch that next video would have taken what I consider one of their best decisions ever. Do that, and let's talk about it. If you discover what I discover, you know why I'm talking this way. Now, I give you one promise. A year from now, trust me, you'll be glad you started today. See you on the next video.